Hello friends, this is a project of a combine of two subjects which includes Introduction to Communication Engineering and it is done using Java. So basically I am a student from Marwadi University currently studying in semester 3 in the Information Communication Technology branch and my name is Madan Shah. My project title is on telephone line hierarchy. So this is a project on telephone line hierarchy which is actually implemented in the telephone companies using the time division multiplexing. I hope you are aware of time division multiplexing. As we see that in cases of time division multiplexing, the signal which is sent is multiplexed on the basis of time. Right? The kind of hierarchy that is used, it can easily be increased with increase in number of users. So this hierarchy came into existence to complete the user requirement. As we see with time, the users continuously increase. So to fulfill that, the companies came up with a solution which is known as the telephone line hierarchy. The T lines are the digital lines used for transmission of digital data, audio, and video. The history. Basically, the history is that the possibility of T-line along with a career opened a new generation of services to the telephone companies. So as you see, these T-lines has opened a new generation for the services of the telephone companies. Earlier, the companies used 24 separate lines. You can imagine 24 separate lines being used from the company to the central exchange. So such a lot of wire. So to accomplish this and reduce the number of wires and reduce the maintenance, the companies had a solution for this. This is the actual hierarchy in which we see that in the first T1 mux, so basically these four are the mux, right? This was T1, T2, T3 and T4. In the T1 mux, there are 24 users and each having 64 kbps speed, and 4 T1 mux make 1 T2 mux, and then 7 T2 mux will make 1 T3 mux, and 6 T3 mux will make 1 T4 mux. So you see, because of this hierarchy, n number of users can be continuously integrated in the system, and because of that we see that today we can just pick up and dial to get connected to anyone. This digital hierarchy that has given the complete advantage and convenience to the user as well as to the companies who keep the record. So basically this will be the flow chart in which we will enter number of users and the input range. So I'll tell you that this hierarchy has a maximum of 4032 users. If you want to increase the number of users, the hierarchy will go up to second level, right? So we will in this case I have completed this project up to 4032 users. We will calculate and display the number of mux used and the mux line, and if the users is not in the range, it will not be calculated and you will get a re-option to enter the data. So basically the flowchart to the code written in Java for the calculation of mux number and the mux line in the telephone line hierarchy for the users entered number in the range 1 to 4032. So now let's move on to the Java code. This Java code is divided into two parts in which here we have calculated the bit time. So in T1 the bit time is 0.64 microsecond, in T2 0.15, T3 0.022 and in T4 0.003. Now let's run the code. So welcome to the telephone line hierarchy. Let's enter number 1 user. So as we see, the T1 mux used is 1, T1 line used is 1, T2 line used is 1 and the mux used in T3 and T4 all the cases is 1. Right, so and the time taken is 0.65 microsecond, 2.69 in T2, 1.54 microsecond in T3 and 22.98 microseconds in T4. Let's re-enter another user, 24. In this case, since this 24 user will be in the T1, we see that it is 119.82 microseconds in T1, 2.69 microseconds in T2, 1.54 microseconds in T3, and 22.98 microseconds in T4. Let's re-enter the maximum possibility that we have, 4032. So in this case, we have the T1, which is using the mux 168. So I would like to tell you that there are 168 number of mux in T1 line. In the T1 hierarchy, the T1 line has 24 lines. In the T2 there are 42 mux. In the T3 there are 6 mux, and T4 there is 1 mux. So the time taken by the user to come once again in that frame is 119.82 microseconds in T1, 94.41 in T2, 107.11 in T3, and 125 microseconds approximately. So according to the calculation, 125 microseconds is the time taken by the T4. Well, that's it, and thank you for the time. If any queries, please let me know through the mail.